Hello guys, my name is Oyiko and this is OyikoTv. And today I'm here to introduce my street trivia that I'll be doing. We'll be doing this every week. We'll be dropping it every week. So what you're gonna do, just stay tuned. Please subscribe to OyikoTv so you get notified when we drop new street trivia questions and everything. After this, we have some wonderful friends already standing by to get in for this wonderful trivia question. So stay back and let's watch. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're right here back here on the streets, and you know what we're gonna do? It's street trivia, and I have these two wonderful people with me. So I'm gonna be asking them a couple of questions, and you know how it's gonna be. They'll give me the answers. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Sure. Are we ready?
Sure.
All right. Name something that belongs to you, but other people use it more than you. Who's going first?
I go first. Perfume.
Perfume.
Yeah.
What about you?
Something that you own,
Yeah.
but people use more than you.
You have to say something.
That should be my clothes.
Your clothes. Okay. Name something that belongs to you and someone use more than you. All right. Should I tell you the answer?
Yeah.
The answer. Your name.
Oh, okay. People call you your
yeah,
name more
call
than
you
you.
more.
Man,
That's
guy,
true, that's
this deep, man. This deep shit.
All right.
Okay.
So this segment, none of you got it.
Yeah, I promise the next one I will
The
win.
next one.
I will win.
All right. Are you ready?
yeah, we're
Already. All right. Name something that is 6 inches long, goes into your mouth, and it's more fun when it vibrates. Name.
Answer first.
Wait, okay, can you come again with the question?
Should I come again?
Yeah, come
Should I come again? Name something that is 6 inches long, goes into your mouth, and it's more fun when it vibrates in your mouth.
A few inches later.
6 inches long, right?
Yeah.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Jesus!
That the answer? Cucumber. All right.
I go with cock.
Cock. Yeah. Okay. No. You guys still failed it. All right. Come back. All right. The answer to this is your toothbrush.
6 inches long, my toothbrush.
Yeah.
My toothbrush no reach 6 inches.
No,
Man, no reach.
No.
That's not cock.
The answer is toothbrush.
My toothbrush is not as long as 6
It's 6 inches. It's long, and when it gets to your mouth, it what? When it vibrates, you enjoy it, right?
Me and you know that's not the answer.
Cock do vibrate now. When you put cock.
Hello, it's nothing. You guys don't have it. All right.
Okay, the next one.
Next one. So we have 0 on this side and 0 on this side. All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Already.
Name something that needs to be broken before it can be used.
Okay, I go first. I think I need to win now. I go with egg.
Okay?
Coconuts.
Okay? All right, and the answer is...
Egg, right?
The answer is egg.
But I used to break coconuts too.
When you
Egg.
break coconut, you still need knife to turn around.
All right, in this segment we have 1 for the guys. Let's cheer up. And 0 for the girls. All right, here we go again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Name something that tastes better but can't smell. Something that tastes
She goes
better
first. She goes first.
but can't
I'm
smell.
not going first.
You go first.
I'm not going first.
All right. Let's go.
It tastes better but doesn't smell, right?
Yes.
Um,
Wait, it can't smell. It can taste, but it can't
I
smell.
know. Sugar.
Sugar. Okay. Are you good?
Sugar. Yeah.
Final answer.
Sugar.
Sugar. What about you?
Water.
Water.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
Sugar and water.
Yeah.
All right. And the answer is
Water.
drum roll.
Oh shit.
And the answer is
Water.
your tongue.
Tongue. How come? Like I
How?
don't get.
Your tongue.
My tongue used to sour sometimes.
You can taste, but it can't smell.
Oh man.
No.
You gotta be kidding.
This is not funny anymore.
Wait now. Your tongue can taste, but can it smell?
No.
You can't smell.
Oh, yeah. Now It depends on how you drop the line. You didn't say organ we use.
Exactly.
Name something. Name something.
It's not a something.
Fine, let's move to the next one.
Next one. So we still have 1 and 0. All right. Name something that is white, sticky in the mouth, and better spit out than swallow.
I go first. Spam.
Come.
Come. What kind of sports? All right, no time to waste because I know they will definitely say nonsense. All right, the answer is toothpaste.
Toothpaste is not white. My toothpaste is green.
Is brown. It's brown.
Toothpaste is green.
Green. Oyiko, I can't agree with you.
Okay, hey, hello. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. The popular toothpaste that we all know, it's white. True or false?
Okay, fine, true.
True or false?
False.
Yeah, you're not green now because you did 0 already.
I agree, so I'm still leading.
No, you have 1 and 0. All right, this one now. This one I know definitely you guys want to say something very crazy and something nasty. All right, name something that goes in dry and hard but comes out wet and soft.
Goes in where?
Where does it go? So,
Anywhere, anywhere.
Okay. It's simple now. Everybody knows that is cock. As in cock goes in wet and dry, and comes out wet and soft. That is if you have come inside.
You're wrong. All right.
Please say the question again.
Okay. Name something that goes in dry and hard and comes out wet and soft.
Yeah.
Yam. Final answer.
I'm having a second thought.
Final answer. No,
I'm having
you have
second thought.
final answer.
Yeah.
Yam. What about you? Cock.
Final answer, yeah.
All right. The answer is because you guys failed it. Let me also you guys failed it. All right. Drum roll. And the answer is chewing gum.
Come on.
No way. No
I
way.
can't take this. Come on. Oh, come on. Get my streets for you. I can't take this.
No way.
Chewing gum.
Like goes in
Hard
hard and comes out wet
and soft.
and soft.
It goes in dry and hard. Chewing gum.
Wow, I agree with you.
You agree?
I agree with you.
It's
I
correct.
agree with
You
you.
agree?
I don't know why my mind is just taking me.
You guys' mind is so corrupt. All right, the next one. Name something you can hold without your hand and or your hands. Name something you can hold without your hand.
Something we can hold
Without our hand.
our hand.
This is simple, actually. It's simple. Something you can hold
Without our hand.
without your hands.
Money.
Money.
You put it inside pocket. You put it inside pocket.
How did you put the money in your pocket? With your hand, so you hold it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Second chance. We have the second chance. Come on.
Oh, yeah, try. What about you? Something you can hold without your hand.
What can we hold without our hands?
I'm waiting.
Boobs.
Boobs. Are you being serious right now?
My
All
second
right.
chance. My second
No
chance.
second chance. All right. The answer is. I'll give you guys the answer without saying a word. All right, I'm giving you the answer now. Look at me.
That's what I wanted to say. Come on. You couldn't give me a second chance. You couldn't give me a second chance.
You can hold your breath without your head.
But sometimes you need your hand to hold your breath.
And what? All right, here we go again. Name something that cannot talk but always reply when spoken to.
She goes first.
Please, we have 2 more questions. This is the second to the last question. He has one already, and it's up to
I'm
you.
giving you the opportunity to make it 1-1.
Something that cannot talk.
Yeah, while she's still thinking, our ladies and gentlemen, it is Street Trivia on OyikoTv, and we do this every week. But we get back. Yeah, what's it? I've given you much time.
Something that cannot talk.
Yeah.
when you like talk to it, or what was the question?
The question is, name something that cannot talk but always reply when spoken to.
Siri,
You say?
Alexa.
Alexa. That's iPhone.
Okay, Alexa talks.
Alexa talks. That's the final answer. Thank you.
No, that's not
Oh yeah, just guessing or what? Oh yeah, one more time.
Come on, you're giving us second chance. Oh, women are women.
Wait.
I don't know.
You don't know. Oh.
Okay, something that cannot talk except when spoken to. I think that is a cell phone. It's a cell phone. Your cell phone can't talk except you talk to it. Like you talk to it and then like.
That's not the answer.
All right. You guys are not getting it. All right.
Not the-
All right. The answer is name something that cannot talk, but always talk when spoken to. All right. Echo.
Yeah, now the phone echoes. The phone echoes now. Come on.
When I scream and oh.
Come on, Oyiko, phone echoes.
Hello,
now.
she has agreed.
Okay, I give up.
All
I'm
right.
still winning, by the way.
All right. Okay. Thank you. All right. Name something every woman have that starts with V.
I go first.
I'm still saying it. Let me finish. Name something every woman has, but it starts with V, and she can use it to get whatever she wants. Name something every woman has that starts with V, and she can use it to get whatever she wants. I'm starting with you first. You're a lady.
Come on, Oyiko, don't allow us say what I have in mind.
Should I ask him first?
You can go first.
All right, go first.
It starts with V, Abi.
Yeah, start with V.
I'm gonna bring her down to street level now. That's street today.
Yeah, I do street trivia.
That's street today. Oyiko, even you yourself, you know, say if I talk this one, I win. Everything a lady, as in, every lady gets them.
Every lady has it.
Okay, and it starts with V.
V.
Oyiko, what else if not vagina?
Are you being serious right now?
Yeah, I'm being serious. Come on. It's
Final
vagina.
answer.
Yeah, vagina.
Final answer.
Yeah, that's the marketplace.
All right. Are you good? Okay, you good? I'm waiting. Hello.
V.
Yeah, V.
What other V do we have?
What about V do we have? You're using it right now.
V.
Very good. Some ladies are very good.
It's okay, please. You're using it right now.
Oh, I mean, voice. That's voice. Yeah. Oh, yeah, voice.
Come on, come on. Come on.
All right, the answer is voice.
Yes.
So every lady has it, and they use it to get what they want.
Exactly.
Hey.
Yeah.
But come to think of it, every lady has what I mentioned. And they use it to get what they want from their husband whenever they need it. Come on.
Not really.
That's husband. You said husband.
It
Yeah.
they use it to get
Everybody.
what they want. No specification.
Get what you want from everybody. Like everybody. That's voice. If I talk to you, there's no how you say no to me when I talk to you. I'm a girl. You understand?
Alright,
Thank you.
1-1.
All right, thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Street Trivia on OyikoTv. All right, on this week's episode of Street Trivia, the ladies had one and the guys had one. So let's give it up for the votes party. All right, thank you very much. And also, please, just in case you are interested in being one of our episodes, please, you can also reach us by the number showing on the screen and call or WhatsApp us. Yeah, please, I'd like to be part. And if you think you're smart, you think you're sharp, you can also join. Thank you very much. I'm on your own boy, O to the right to the K. They call me Oyiko.
Oh, yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Shabba.
Thank you.